Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this type of bag, and this bag is highly demanded in the market, and I'll show you how to crochet this type of bag. And before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And now let's jump to this video now. Now I'll show you all the required material. We need 6.5 hook, then we need multicolor t-shirt yarn, then lock and hook, then scissor, and for this bag we need 20 chains. So let's make 20 chains now. And lift the tip of the yarn 4 to 5 centimeter as usual. Now 20 chains are ready here, and let's crochet single crochet in first round, first row, and first lift the first stitch, then 2 single chains in 2 stitches, 1, then 2, and after that we have to skip 1 chain here, 1 stitch I mean. Now let's make it 1 chain loop, then skip the 1 stitch, then 2 single crochet in next 2 stitches, again 1, then 2, you can see the whole gap, and 1 loop, then skip the 1 stitch, then single crochet, repeat the same. I have completed the first round, you can see, and after that make 2 chains loops to lift the next row like this, and you can adjust the twisted yarn like this, and after that insert the hook into the hole and make it single crochet, and after that put the yarn on the hook and insert the hook into the corner stitch of the first row like this, and pull over the stitch and make another double crochet. This is first double crochet, then after that repeat the same double crochet, from the same stitch, and after that make it third double crochet, third double crochet, And now we got 3 loops. You can see 3 loops. Then make 1 loop through all the loops on the hook, like this. And we have to make it 14 rows, same like this. So we have to repeat the same like this, single crochet, till here. Now I have completed the first pattern. You can see this, and we have to make it 14 patterns, same like this. So let's make it the second pattern. We have to insert the hook here and make a single crochet, then pull over the yarn into the hole and insert the hook into the corner side here, and make it double crochet. Adjust the yarn, and after that repeat the same, make it second double crochet till here. Now I have completed the 14 patterns, and the back shape will be like this. And now we have to crochet around the 4 sides of the bag. So first make single crochet in the next stitch here, single crochet, and after that here insert the hook into the hole and make it 3 single chains. We have to make it 3 single chains here, and after that 1 single chain here, like this, and after that 3 single chains here. Repeat the same till here. I have completed the single crochet around the 4 sides of the bag. And now let's cut the yarn here, and after that pull up the yarn like this, and now we are going to stitch the side wall. the back shape will be like this. So let's stitch the side wall. Now insert the hook into the V-shape stitch over here. And after that, pull out the hook along with the yarn. Again, insert the hook into the V shape and pull out the yarn and repeat the same till here. Now I have already attached the side wall here, and let's hide the yarn. Let's hide the yarn now. Now you can see the bag is ready, and I have already attached the another side also to save time for you. And now let's attach the log here in the center. Now I have already attached the log here in the center, you can see, and let's crochet the handle of the bag. For handle we need 25 chains, so let's make it 25 chains. Now 25 chains are ready here, and let's make it single crochet. First skip the first stitch, then single crochet, we have to make it 4 rounds of single crochet. Now I have completed the first round, and we have to make it 4 rounds, and this time we are going to crochet behind the V shape like this. Again behind the V shape, and we will make it 4 rounds. Now I have completed the 4 rounds, and now let's cut the yarn here, and after that pull up the yarn. Then let's join together these two sides like this. We are going to stitch now. Now insert the hook into the V shape, then take the yarn and pull out the hook. Again insert the hook through the V shape, then take the yarn Then pull out the hook like this. So we have to repeat the same till the end. Now let's attach the hook, this one over here. Okay, now let's attach the handle into the bag. I have done the other side to save time for you, so I will show you this one, this side, like this. You have to attach the handle here. Now bag is ready. It's look very nice. You can see even the handle also, the white color, it's look more nice. Even the back side also. And I hope you like my crochet tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.